celebrant of the second quarter, April, May, and June, please come forward to blow your cake. Nabisaya, no? Blow your cake daw!
Okay.
Calling all the attention of all the birthday celebrant. Paging. Attention please.
Walang men.
Attention of the birthday celebrant for the second quarter of 2024, April, May, and June. Please come forward. Birthday celebrant, blow your...
Hindi. Isa-isa, tawag yung ngalan.
Pangalan na June. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our June celebrant. June na! Dali na ako.
Si Chevi na, birthday niya.
May celebrant. LB Pasko.
Happy birthday.